Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm making egg muffins. The egg muffins is good for both adults and children. I love it for my breakfast. I have here 6 medium-sized eggs, and I've also listed some of the ingredients we are using. So let's get started. Here I have my mixing bowl where I'm going to mix everything. So I will start by breaking in the eggs into the bowl. Before now, I used to break the eggs one at a time and pour it into the mixing bowl. But I've learned how to check the eggs if they are bad or good before pouring it together. So let's continue. I have a tiny shell, the egg shell that fell into the plate, so that's what I'm trying to remove. You can see that. I will whisk the eggs for a while and then start adding the ingredients. I'm adding here about 1/3 teaspoon of salt. I don't like to over salt my eggs. Just add salt according to your taste. Half a teaspoon curry powder. Half a teaspoon chili pepper, some hot pepper. Black pepper, half a teaspoon also. I'll mix thoroughly and then add the vegetables. After mixing the spices thoroughly, I now add the vegetables. I've just added here some chopped onions, some chopped green pepper, that's bell pepper, green bell pepper, some chopped tomatoes, and some grated carrots. Feel free to add any vegetables of your choice if you are making this. You can use different colors of the bell peppers. You can add the sweet corn, any vegetable. After mixing thoroughly, I will now bring my muffin pan and scoop everything into it. My oven is already preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, getting ready for baking this. Here I have my muffin pan. I will first of all rub some oil inside it before scooping the egg into it. This is the much I could get from the 6 eggs. Guys, I have 10 cups here. My muffin pan has 12 cups, so you can see 2 empty. We'll now go and bake in the already preheated oven. And after 25 minutes, we have our eggs well baked and smelling so nice. Look at how beautiful it's looking, and it tasted so delicious. I'm serious about it. It tastes so nice. I hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and to my new subscribers, you are highly welcomed. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. To my old subscribers, I love you all. God bless you. And to those that keep sharing my video, I see you all. May God bless you. God bless everyone. Take care till I see you again in my next video. Remain blessed and bye.